To make your Barbie doll action figure, you need to have Chatgpt. You can download this application from App or Play Store. Now, after opening the application, add your photo from gallery and write this prompt. You can get this prompt easily from my description. Now make changes in the prompt. Write the title you need and write the accessories you need in the pack. You can add another details too if you want. Now, after making the changes, click on Generate and wait for around 2 minutes until it generates the photo. So here is your own Barbie doll action figure or starter pack. Now just click on the photo and save the photo to gallery. And now you're ready to share. And if you want this type of pack, you can use this prompt. The prompt is in the description.